Hi, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. This is a video for a Cricut cut kit that I make for anyone who would like to purchase one. I use the Cricut cuts made available by Close to My Heart and make a layout, and then I sell it and you put it together. So this is one of them, and this is basically the layout that is in the kit. And I added glitter and shimmer brush and all kinds of good stuff. It's beautiful. I love the white on white. And actually this is the French vanilla. However, some of the kits are different. You may get the, I think this is paprika with the harbor leaves for the cut file. And this is not decorated. Oh, it's upside down. This is not decorated, and you can do it either way. Okay, not decorated with shimmer brush or stickles. I just showed it plain so that people can get an idea what it looks like. And these were for an open house that I had. And then this one is, I believe, the other side of paprika, so it's a lighter side, and the cut file is papaya. So you can see the difference there. And I added a couple of different things that were with the SVG files. So I cut everything out of my Cricut, and then I just made pages. And this has the shimmer brush, and it doesn't have any glitter, it's just shimmer brush. Okay, so this file is actually even different than those because I use shortbread for the cut file and papaya for the background. So what you get in your kit is enough for a 2-page layout. You might get a little extra pieces from the Cricut thing. You know, some pieces are left in the file when you, in the cut file when you cut it. And I just didn't have time to pick them all out because I made lots of these. So if you find any of those, just toss them. So they will go like this. And you get the banner pieces, so you can put the banners however you want, and I will include photos with the instructions so that you can make it just as I designed it, or you can make it your own and use whatever you like. And you get the title, which is Hello Pumpkin. This does not go under there. It's like a puzzle, right? You just put it all together. So that goes on top of there. Here's the top for this orange piece, and you'll be able to see how it fits in the pieces, and you see it's not fitting. So turn it every which way to see which one fits. There. So that one fits like that. This is a pumpkin. And if you see any inconsistency like with these, I use the ones that maybe were imperfect cuts for mine, so that you get the perfect cuts in your kits. Because you know the Cricut sometimes miscuts things, or you just never know sometimes. You just never know what you're gonna get, especially when you're making 20 different kits, so you're cutting all, you know, it's just incredible. But anyway, it's a labor of love, right? So these little dots would be like your apostrophe for, or the dot for your exclamation mark. These are the tops for your pumpkin. And you just glue all these together, and I use our new Quickie glue pen for these fine line cuts. If you do a little bit at a time and get it stuck down before it dries, you're good to go, okay? You just have to work quick with the Quickie glue pen. However, the Quickie glue pen, if you let it dry and then put glitter on it or foil or something, it is gorgeous. Look, I have extras in this kit. So these pieces of the leaves are what goes underneath your cut file, like this. And you can shadow these with your inks. And I'm sorry, it's really cold here, so the heater has just started coming on, and I hear it going. I'm like, oh, that's going to be on the video, but there's nothing I can do about it. And some of these you might have to cut down if they don't fit perfect under the leaves, because I don't know which leaf went to which part of the cut file. They all seemed really much the same, so I couldn't tell you which one goes where, but if you want to try them all out, you know, that's fine too. And there's a leaf there. And you might not get all the exact same pieces as I have, because like I said, I put all the pieces in mine that maybe weren't perfect. All right, so this goes to this one. You see that one was a little broken. So that piece goes there. Oh, there's another leaf piece. So you can use, you know, put the different cover on which leaf if you got more than one. And I think you probably will get like 2 or 3 of each color for underneath, so you can use one on one page and one on your other page, or 2 on one page, because you know everything should be in like odd numbers for it's more pleasing to the eye. That's how your brain works. There's been studies on it, I'm sure. So I just mix and match them to see what looks pretty to me and go for there. And it all depends too on where you're going to put your photos, right? These little pieces are for the end of your banners. Oh, that's the long one, and that's the short one. And then you might have to cut them off, and then the letters go behind. So make sure you, when you start gluing, because our paper is double-sided, you have a dark side and you have a light side. So you can see the light side, the dark side, okay? Your L's might not have cut out perfect. You don't need the other part of the L. You only need this piece because that's the only open part. Oh, this L cut out good. You know, and once I get it set up on my Cricut to have it cut out, it's awful hard to go back and change anything, because then I have to rearrange everything on the Cricut mat so that it saves as much paper as I can. So there's an extra one of those. And then I have all these little leaves, so you can put these next to your photos. The photo mats are not in here because I don't know what size photos you're going to make. I would use cream colored, or you can use white. That's what I did on mine. Actually, this one has nectarine and paprika. Those are both nectarine. Those are nectarine, those are nectarine. These are nectarine too. Yep. So just pick a color that matches what's in your photos to enhance your layout. So this is everything that you're going to get in the kit. It's a 2-page layout for $12, and that goes on there, and plus shipping. If you are not in my local area, I'd be happy to ship it to you. So I'm not sure what that costs. I try and do it as cheaply as I can. So that's what this is. And I'll include photos with the directions, and if you're interested or have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a like, all that good stuff, and be creative. Thanks.